Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the session 33. So the program is BCom. Subject, as we know very well, new venture planning, semester third semester, University Vijayanagara Sri Krishna Devaraya University, Ballari, and our today's session is about 33. Search for entrepreneurial capital. The entrepreneur search for capital. So as we know very well, capital is one of the most important factor of production. Okay, without capital, it's not possible to start any business or a venture, organization, whatever it may be, any activity which require must and should require capital or finance. Okay, and capital is like a lifeblood of the organization or any business activity. Learning objective: to know the various alternative sources of finance for entrepreneurs. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಫಿನಾನ್ಸ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಟು ನೋ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್. ವೈ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇದೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ entrepreneurs. Learning outcome: entrepreneurship and innovation minors will be able to create value students and able to create presentations and business plan that articulate and apply financial, operational, organizational, market and sales knowledge to identify paths to value creation through company formation for profit. Social innovation, non-profit. Yes, social innovation, non-profit. Intellectual property licensing. Intellectual property licensing. Then recap session. In our earlier session, we learned about limited liability partnership, LLP. Limited liability partnership, meaning, definition and steps involved, advantages and disadvantages of limited liability partnership, that is LLP. Then the entrepreneurial search for capital. Defining entrepreneurial finance, many different definitions of entrepreneurial finance can be found. Two issues is common: orientation towards entrepreneurial opportunity. Second one, focus on the efficient allocation of financial resources. Four lessons are especially important for entrepreneur. First one, seeking outside financing worth your time. Yes. Second one, personal credit is a great deal when financing a startup. Yes, personal finance or credit plays very important role when financing a startup. Then more likely to set a loan than at equity investment from an outsiders. Tapping trade creditors is where your odds of obtaining financing for the business itself are finest. Requirement and availability of finance. Stages of a startup and available modes of finance at each stage. There are 5 phases of investment. First one, self-funding or bootstrapping. Then second one, friends and family. Third one, seed. ಅಂದರೆ a unit of reproduction of a flowering plant. Growth in early step, very important, and expansion. Sources of capital. The 3 types of finance capital can influence your decision when you are analyzing your own business or a potential investment. That is equity capital, debt capital, then specialty capital. Places to go to found for a startup business. Department of Trade and Industry, okay. Then Industrial Development Corporation, National Empowerment Fund, Small Enterprise Development Agency, Small Enterprise Finance Agency, SEFA, Small Enterprise Finance Agency, Technology Innovations Agency, National Youth Development Agency. So these are the places from where we can found for fund for places to go to fund for ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಂಡ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಗಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಫಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ IDC, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಡ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ SEDA, and SEFA, Small Enterprise Finance Agency, Technology Innovation Agency, National Youth Development Agency. MCQs. First one, an advantage of which of these tactics is that is a startup time and an existing track records. A, participate in a business in a beta. B, start a new business. C, buy a franchise. D, buy an existing business. So the answer is D, buy an existing business. Second question, for internet startups, one typical source of first fund is in through A, stock financing, B, get funds, C, angel finance, D, community development financing. So the answer is C, angel financing. Then third one, the primary concern when first start up your business area. A, market encountering, B, planning and human resource, C, financing and planning, D, financing and market. Answer is financing and planning. What are the primary sources of funding for entrepreneur? A, personal savings and individual investors, B, finance companies and banks, C, the small business administration and banks, D, farmer employers and the economic development authority. So the answer is A, personal savings and individual investors. Fifth one, a business plan for a new business does not need to include A, marketing plan, B, a discussion of the purpose of the business, C, a description of the company background, D, the name of the leading bank. Answer is D, the name of the leading bank. So finance is one of in today's session what we had learned. Let us see the references. Andrews KR 1965, The Concept of Corporate Strategy, Dow Jones Erwin, Homewood, Sucking, Bertling J 2011, Agency and Institutional Influences on Franchising Decision, Journal of Business Venturing. Then David FR 2007, Strategic Management, Concepts and Cases, 11th edition, Prentice Hall, New York. Okay, in today's session what we have learned, that is the sources of capital. There are three main important financial capital can influence your decision, that is equity capital, debt capital and specialty capital. And the places, there are so many places from where we can get a fund for startup business, that is Department of Trade and Industry ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, SEFA, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ, ದೆನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಯೂತ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ. Finance is one of the most important input for to start up any business and factor of production also. Without finance, no business can exist or not possible to start any business or finance any business activity. Thank you.